Hello, this is Hugo, product manager of Fisair, humidifier. I'm going to teach you some of our standard and optional components. We first have our pump. We have the irrigation of the recirculating water for the adiabatic system for the cassettes. Then we also have our balancing valves to set our constant water flow that we need to meet the requirements of water to the panel, both of them. We also have solenoid valves that irrigate and control the irrigation, the constant irrigation of the panel. We also have as a standard a level detector with a low level detector that will protect the pump and a high level detector that will close the inlet fresh water for the basin. We also have a motor zone drain valve to meet the requirements of VDI 6022 automatic drainage. Okay, and all the system types in stainless steel. We also have to meet the hygienic requirements, the basin with the that will drain by gravity, only by gravity. No more components, no more pumps, no pump drainage. So only by gravity we meet the requirements of BDI 6022.